In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Read.ai from Microsoft Teams instantly. Whether you're trying to streamline your team's workspace or you simply want to stop Read.ai from joining your meetings automatically, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Read.ai, but instead of changing anything inside Teams, we're actually going to manage the integration directly from the Read.ai website. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. If you haven't already, log into your Read.ai account to ensure everything connects smoothly. Next, click on the Apps and Integrations section inside Read.ai. You'll see several options that help you manage all the services connected to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Now scroll down until you find the option called Team Sync to Read, which shows if Read.ai is actively connected to your Microsoft Teams. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure both accounts, Microsoft and Read.ai, are logged in. Ensure that any meeting permissions are not blocked on your browser, and double-check your internet connection so everything loads properly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you locate Team Sync to Read, tap on it to open more details. After that, you should be able to see a disconnect button that lets you instantly disable the integration without any interruptions. If you don't see it so firstly, you have to connect Read.ai to Microsoft Teams. It's also a good idea to confirm the prompt if it pops up. Some users get a warning message asking if they're sure they want to disconnect. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your team settings clean and under your control. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to disable Read.ai from Microsoft Teams easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?